In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom data validation pop-up help text tip to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. This can be especially beneficial if you're sharing spreadsheets with others and want to provide clarity or guidelines for cell entries. So, let's get started. First things first, open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, just create a new one. Now, once you're in your spreadsheet, identify which cells need data validation. This will usually depend on the data context that you're dealing with. To select the cells, you simply need to click and drag over the ones you wish to highlight. If they're not adjacent, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while selecting each cell. Moving on, you'll find Data in the top menu of your Google Sheets. Click this to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Data Validation. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option that says Add Rule. Click on that. You're now ready to set your criteria. In the Criteria field, you'll notice a drop-down list. Click on this list and browse through your options. Here, we'll choose less than or equal to. Now the next thing you want to do is enter the maximum value that you will allow for these cells. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data. After setting your criteria, you'll notice an option to Show Help Text for selected cell. Make sure you check this box. Now is the time to type your validation message. This is where you provide context, such as instructions or restrictions, to whoever is entering data. Keep this message concise yet informative. For enhanced error handling, you have the option to set what happens if the data entered doesn't meet your criteria. You can either show a warning or reject the input. In this walkthrough, we'll select Reject the Input to ensure strict adherence to our specified data rules. Finally, confirm everything by clicking Done. At this point, you've set up basic data validation along with the help text. Now, test this setup by entering a value in one of the validated cells. Then try entering a value greater than the maximum you specified. When you do this, a prompt will appear, indicating that your entry is not permissible as per the criteria. To finalize this process, simply click OK on that prompt. You've just successfully added a custom validation pop-up help text tip in Google Sheets. Remember, this is not just a one-time process. Continue implementing this across similar sets of data or cells as needed. That's it for today's tutorial on how to add a custom data validation pop-up help text tip to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Thanks for watching and make sure to try it out in your own projects.